In Porsline, you can fully customize what each respondent sees after submitting your form, based on their answers or scores. Whether you want to show test results, a thank you message, a product recommendation, or even a discount code, the end page helps you connect better with every user. To set it up, go to the Create phase and click on End Page. You'll see two options: Thank You page and Redirect to a custom page. Let's start with the Thank You page. You can upload an image or video and write your own custom message. Want to personalize it? Use piping to show the respondent's name or score? Want people to share your form? Just turn on the Share Form link option and add your message. There's more you can do here. Let's say you want each respondent to instantly see a report after submitting. Here's how. Enable the Reload or Redirect button, type your button label, and choose where it should take them, like your reports page, a promotion on your website, or a subscription link. You can even set it to reload the form right after submission. That's useful if you're collecting feedback in a physical space, like a store, event, or exhibition. Now, let's look at the second tab, Redirect to a custom page. This feature sends respondents directly to any link you choose, like a promotion, a discount page, product announcements, or help articles on your website. No Porsline page appears. They go straight to your custom link. Want to personalize the link? You can use piping to add dynamic content, like a response into the URL. If you create multiple redirect pages, you can also assign labels to keep things organized. These labels are just for you. Respondents won't see them. Here's the best part. You can create multiple end pages and use conditions to send different groups to different pages. For example, when measuring customer loyalty with NPS, you could have promoters go to a thank you and promo page, detractors see a support message that promises fast follow-up, and passives land on a simple thank you screen. Customizing the end page is a powerful way to guide your audience and leave a great impression. It's available on Porsline Pro and Enterprise accounts. If you're using the free plan, you can still try it out before publishing your form. Need help setting it up? We're always here to support you.